Apexaura, Ceylon cinnamon dietary supplement. A staple in French toast, coffee, and breakfast pastries, cinnamon is a delicious and nutritious spice. The scientific name for cinnamon is cinnamomum zeylanicum, and it comes from the inner barks of trees native to Sri Lanka. Once upon a time, cinnamon was more valuable than gold. And while these days, most of us would rather get our hands on 24 carats instead of 24 ounces, it turns out that this aromatic tree bark could be more valuable than gold, especially when it comes to health. Health benefits. Loaded with powerful antioxidants, have anti-inflammatory properties, helps to reduce risk of heart disease, helps to lower the blood sugar level, helps to protect neurons, helps fight against cancer cells, helps to fight against the bacterial, virus, and fungal infection, helps to maintain the gut health, helps manage blood pressure, helps to prevent tooth decay, helps to get rid from the allergies. Ceylon Cinnamon Dietary Supplement.